guys, it's Brownie from Manhattan, New York. So I'm coming to you guys with freshly washed and blown out hair. So I just did a deep conditioning mask. I used 1 egg and 2 spoonfuls of mayonnaise, and I let that sit for 20 minutes. And then I just washed it out with warm water, and then I shampoo and condition. Then I applied heat protectant spray. Then I used some organic black castor oil. Then I blow dried my hair. Then I flat ironed it. Then I cut my ends. So it's completely even, as you guys can see. It's completely even. I don't cut my ends too often, but you should cut your ends every 6 weeks. But I don't be keeping up with that. I just cut them whenever I feel like it. Then I did a face mask with rose clay. Left that on for 20 minutes. Then I washed it off with warm water. Then I took a shower. And I have on vitamin C serum. And then I have on my moisturizer, and then on my skin, because I'm feeling Braxton contractions, I'm trying to relax as much as possible. I have on the Aveeno stress relief lotion, and then I have on my Dove spray deodorant. Then I have on some Kate Spade perfume. It's the Walk on Air perfume. I like. And then I have on some Johnson & Johnson baby powder because it's summertime. I need something underneath my huge ass boobs and in the crevices of my vajayjay and my booty, so that I don't chafe because my skin is so sensitive. And summertime brings heat, so yeah. And that's about it. So done with this video. Share it, like it, subscribe to my channel to stay updated with me and my life. Be blessed, out, and the same. Again, this is Bonnie from Manhattan, New York. Mwah.